So let us see, we will solve this problem, that is heat of hydrogenation and heat of polymerization. So some problems I have taken. So the heat of combustion of ethene and hydrogen are 1409.5, 15.58.3 and minus 285.6 kilojoule respectively. So calculate the heat of hydrogenation of ethylene. So let us see how to solve this problem. So our desired chemical change is C2H2, not C2, C2H4 plus H2. It will give you C2H6 in gaseous form. So here we have to find the heat of enthalpy change for these reactions. Okay, so now we have three reactions, like one is C2H4 in gaseous state undergoing oxidation. So it will give you CO2 plus waters, all are in gaseous states, and for this enthalpy change is minus 1409.5 kilojoule per mole. Similarly, if you go for ethane gas, so it will give you in presence of oxygen, that is CO2 plus water. So in that case enthalpy change is minus 1558.3 kilojoule. Okay, so here we have to balance the equation also. That is 2, and here balance is 7/2. In this case you balance is 3, it will be your 2 and it will be your 2. Okay, now next is our for hydrogen. So hydrogen, if you balance is half O2, so in gas, so it will give you H2O in gaseous form. So here delta H will be, again in this case will be your minus 285.6 kilojoule. Okay, so this is our equation number 1, this is our equation number 2, this is our equation number 3. So what we have to do, we have to add equation number 1 plus equation number 3 and subtract equation number 2. So on doing this we will get here C2H4 whole gas plus 7/2 oxygen gas and plus hydrogen, and the product will be your 2 CO2 plus 3 H2O water. Okay, so again after solving minus 1409.5, so minus 285.6, so we will get here enthalpy, that is delta H will get here minus 1695.1 kilojoule respectively. Now subtract, now we have to subtract, that is this value 1695.1 from equation 2, that is this one. So now subtract this value 1695.1 minus equation 2. Equation 2 is given here 155.3 kilojoule respectively. So we'll get value here. So we'll get value here, that is C2H6 whole plus 7/2 oxygen, it will give you 2 CO2 plus 3 molecules of water. So here delta H is minus 1558.3 kilojoule. Okay, so on subtracting this value, so what will happen, we will get here value. So on solving here, so we will get here delta H value. The delta H will be your 1695.1 minus 1558.3. so we get here value minus 136.8 kilojoule respectively. So which is nothing but the C2H4 plus H2 will give you C2H6 whole gas, and delta H will be your minus 136.8 kilojoule per mole. So this is our heat of hydrogenation of ethylene gas. So this is our answers. Standard enthalpy of combustion at 25 degrees centigrade of H2C6H10 and cyclohexane C6H12 are minus 241, minus 3800, minus 392 kilojoule respectively. So calculate the heat of hydrogenation of cyclohexane. So this we have to calculate. So again we have desired chemical changes C6H10 plus H2, it will give you C6H12, and we have to find the delta H of this equation. So now what is given here? H2 plus half O2, it will give you water. So here delta H is how much? It is given here minus 241 kilojoule. And similarly C6H10 plus 17 by 2 O2. So already this question is given here, so just I am writing to explain you. Plus 5H2O, it is given here, delta H given here minus 3800 kilojoule. So if you go for C6H12, next is your hexane, cyclohexane. So plus here O2, so it will give you again CO2 plus water. So just balance it 6, here you balance it 6. So here delta H will be minus 3920 kilojoule respectively. So here we have 3 questions are given. Okay, so 1 2 3. So okay, we have to perform operations. Suppose this is your 2 equation, this is your 3rd equation, and this is your 4th equation. So to get this value, so we have to do operations. So mathematical operations is that mathematical operations, desired mathematical operations. So what we have to do? So add 2 plus 3 and minus 4. So if you do this thing, so we will get value C6H10 plus H2 is giving C6H12, which is nothing but the delta is equal to minus 121 kilojoule. So this is the heat of hydrogenation for the C6H10. So this is our answer. So here from the following data, calculate the enthalpy change for the combustion of cyclopropane at 298 Kelvin. The enthalpy of formation of carbon dioxide, water and propene are minus 393.5, minus 285.58 and 20.42 kilojoule per mole respectively. The enthalpy of isomerization of cyclopropane to propene is minus 33 kilojoule per mole. So we have this isomerization reactions. So here we have to arrange the data, that is CS2, CS2 and CS2. So this will give you in terms of CS3 dot CS2. So here delta H is given here minus 33 kilojoule per mole. Now second case given here, carbon reacting with the oxygen, this will use CO2, so all is gaseous form. Second here H2 again reacting with the oxygen, this will give you H2O in liquid form. This is half. This is the heat of formation. And again third is given here, carbon plus hydrogen on reacting with CS3 dot CH2. So again here heat is given here, that is 20.42 kilojoule. Okay, so equation is almost like this one. This is equation number 1, this is the equation number 2, this is the equation number 3, and this is the equation number 4. So our target is subtract equation 1 from 4. Okay, subtract equation 1 from 4. So this is the equation number 1 is this one, and this is the equation number 4. So if you subtract 4 minus 1, so we will get here 3C plus 3H2 in terms of this will be your this formula. 3C plus 3H2 we will get here this formula. So again, so do we here second equation into 3 plus third equation into 3 and minus 5. If you do this thing, so we will get the value this much. This equal to cyclopropane by 9 by 2 moles of oxygen. So it will give you 3 molecules of CO2 plus 3 molecules of water and delta H. So what is delta H? On subtracting we will get here delta H is equal to minus 2091.32 kilojoule respectively. So this is our answer, which is nothing but the enthalpy change for the combustion of cyclopropane. So this is our answer of enthalpy change of cyclopropane. The polymerization of the ethylene to linear polyethylene is represented by the reaction. This reaction is given here. So when N has the large integral value, given that the average enthalpy of bond dissociation for CC double bond and CC single bond is 298 Kelvin. So here they are given here 5 for this one is 590 and this is 331 kilojoule per mole respectively. So calculate the enthalpy of polymerization per mole of ethylene at 298 Kelvin. So we have to find this value. What is the this one? Enthalpy of polarization of per mole of ethylene. So first we have to write the equation NCH, just make boundary. So NCH2, this is the ethylene. Okay, so this is N molecule ethylene, so it will give you here CH2 whole N. So we have to find the delta H of this value. Now we know that, so N double bond, this is the N double bond. So N double bonds, N double bonds form a molecule with 2N single bonds. This you have to keep in mind. How to see two single bonds? Because the double bonds, it will break here, so it will form say here two molecules, so it becomes a long chain. Like this we can understand. Suppose this is a CH2 molecule, this CH2 molecule, and again CH2 molecule, again here CH2 molecule. So here it will break into, this bond will break, this bond will break, so it will form CH2, and here one molecule, and here CH2. So this will be your another molecule. So it is forming 2N single bonds, means two bonds. Okay, so delta H for polymerization of 1 mole of ethylene. So 1 mole of ethylene will be how much? So it is nothing but the bond energy data for dissociation of bond, plus bond energy data for formation of bond. So one is dissociation of bond, second is the formation of bonds. Okay, so we can write here delta H is equal to, so N by N, so here energy is E, C double bond C, okay, and minus 2N by N, this will be your energy C bond. Okay, so this energy is given here 590, and this energy given 2 into 331. So total will be your minus 72 kilojoule per mole. So this is our basically answer, enthalpy polarization per mole of ethylene. So at constant volume at 27 degrees centigrade, so this is your cyclohexane on reaction with the O2. It will give you 12 molecules of CO2 plus 6 molecules of water, whose the enthalpy internal energy is 1600 kilocalorie. And similarly, if you take here acetylene, so on combination on combustion reaction, they will give you carbon dioxide plus water respectively. So there also enthalpy, not enthalpy, is internal energy changes 620 kilocalorie. Now we have to find out, calculate the heat of polymerization of acetylene to benzene at constant pressure. So this is your benzene, not this one. This is your benzene. So this is benzene is undergoing combustion. This is your CO2 plus water, and we have to find benzene at constant pressure. Means we have to find enthalpy. So our desired chemical change is what? So we change your C2H2, it is gas form, so it has to convert into C6H4, that is into benzene. So benzene in gaseous state, so we have to find the delta H of these reactions. So we can see here, here is the internal energy is the, for first equation is the for benzene, combustion of benzene is this is, so delta E1, and the combustion of this one acetylene is this one. Okay, so if you see here, this is suppose enthalpy 1, and this suppose enthalpy 2. So we can write here, this is suppose enthalpy 1, and this suppose enthalpy 2. So what we will do, change in internal energy is equal to 3 into change in enthalpy 2 minus enthalpy 1. So we will get equation here. So this is nothing but the 3 into minus 620, and minus this will be your minus 1600. So we will get here calorie how much? So this you multiply it, so it will comes about 260 kilocalories. Here it comes out. Okay, so now we have equation is this one. We can write here C2H2, it is giving you C6H6. Okay, so if you take 3 molecules, so it will convert into C6H6. So for polymerization, again we can write same things, that is the N double bond. Okay, N double bond forms a molecule with 2N single bonds. You got 2N single bonds. So we can write here. So delta E is how much? It is given here, minus 260 kilocalorie. So again, not this much. So this will be, this is for the whole molecule. So if you take the per mole, so it will become here minus 130 kilocalorie, because we have 2N single bonds. So for per single bonds, it will be your 130 kilocalorie. We cannot take 3. We cannot take 3. So we don't take 3 because 3 is given here. So don't take 3. We have to take 2N single bonds for this one. This is polymerization. So now we got the delta E, that is this much value. So we have to find delta H. Delta H is equal to delta E plus delta N RT. So again, delta E is given here, how much? Minus 130 kilocalorie, and delta Ng is how much? So this is your 1, 3. So 1 minus 3, both in gas state. So 1 minus 3, R is given here. So R is here 1.98. okay, and multiplied by 10 power minus 3. So we are taking here and multiplied by 300 calories. So this will be your kilo. This will come into kilo. So we have to convert into kilojoule. So this will be your minus 130 minus 1.188. So this is your minus 1.88. So we'll get here value 131, that is minus 0.188. So this is our kilocalorie. So this is basically our answer for this equation. So this is the heat of polymerization of acetylene to benzene. So this is our answer.